Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special for you. We're going to learn English through a motivating story that will inspire you to embark on your language learning journey. Our story begins in a small, picturesque town nestled in the English countryside. Meet Sarah, a young and determined woman who dreams of mastering the English language. Sarah had always been fascinated by the English language. She believed that learning English would open doors to new opportunities, adventures, and connections. But like many of us, Sarah faced challenges along the way. Learning a new language can be daunting, especially when you're just starting. One day, while exploring the town, Sarah met Emily, a kind-hearted English teacher who saw her passion and offered to help. With Emily's guidance and Sarah's determination, her English skills began to improve. She learned new words, phrases, and expressions every day. Over time, Sarah's hard work paid off. She could now have meaningful conversations in English, connect with people from all over the world, and pursue her dreams. Sarah's story teaches us that learning English, or any language, is not just about words, it's about the journey, the people you meet, and the opportunities that await. As we conclude this inspiring story, remember that your language learning journey is unique. Embrace the challenges, seek guidance when needed, and never give up. If you found this video motivating and want more language learning tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow learners. Keep learning, stay motivated, and until next time, happy language learning!